This one is called B complex 100s. It contains all the B's in just about the right concentration. I take one a day. This is that very important selenium. They're 200 micrograms each, and I like it, so I take 3 a day. It's a very important antiviral agent. There's my favorite, niacin. These are 500 milligram tablets of niacin. This is a bottle of 500. And I take 3 of these 3 times a day. Vitamin C, especially made in the States by a friend of mine who owned his own company called Energen C. I take 2 grams a day. 2 pills at noon and 2 pills at supper time. Vitamin A, each one is 10,000. These are over the counter. I take 3 of those. So I'm taking 30,000 units of vitamin A every day. N-acetylcysteine, called NAC. It helps the body make glutathione. It's a very important antioxidant. I take 1 gram, 2 of these 3 times a day. This one is coenzyme Q10. They're 100 milligrams each, and I take 3 of those a day. This is a very important muscle enzyme. It's good for cardiovascular disease. I use it against Parkinsonism, and it has other values too. I don't have those, but I take it to make sure I don't have them. Vitamin D, famous vitamin D. They're 1,000 units each, and I take 6 a day, whether I'm in the sun or not. Salmon oil for the essential fatty acids. They're 1 gram, and I take 2 a day. This is calcium magnesium. I take 2 a day. Zinc, very important, zinc citrate. These are 50s, and I'm taking either 1 or 2 each day. Folic acid, little yellow pill. These are 5 milligrams each. These are on prescription, and I don't write prescriptions anymore, but I have a supply from the past. I take 1 of these every day. Vitamin E, 400 units. This is the natural form. I take 1 in the morning, 1 at night. And the last one, alpha-lipoic acid, which protects the liver against all sorts of toxic effects. Very important. These are 200s. Yeah, these are 200. I take 3 a day. So that's the list. Adds up to about 500. Sorry. Seems like 500. It adds up to 50 pills a day. It's my personal regimen, and I don't recommend it for everyone. It might be good for some, it might not be good for others. It has to be totally individualized. And I've been working at this game for 50 years. I know pretty well what I should be taking.